Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, in case you would like to get ChatGPT or any other subscription for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link comment in the section below. Once you do that, it will send you to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been using personally for the past 3 years, and it's where you can share one account and subscription with other people, like one big family for the password. And so from here, once you do that, sign up and you will see ChatGPT Plus right there, where you can click on purchase now and you can get 12 months for only the price of 68 euros. And then from here, you can have a promo code and you can add the code GUMMY, which will give you an additional 5% off, and you can use however many months you would like. And that's it. To cancel your ChatGPT subscription, all you have to do is go to the bottom left section where you can see your profile icon right here. And then from here, you're going to go to your settings. Now in the settings, you can see all the settings right here for the account. If you have ChatGPT Pro, then you will have a big button in the bottom right here that says you're going to unsubscribe or you're going to cancel the subscription. But for here, because on the free one, then it says delete, but we'll simply replace that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.